I am 12 days into the month right here. That is $45,000. That's all free traffic. We're going to talk about the biggest traffic source in the entire world, which is Google, and they own a lot of freaking traffic sources, okay? It's insane. This is a CPA marketing network right here. You can absolutely demolish with this platform. Basically, guys, we're going to leverage the power of Google and every platform Google has to build you a business that can basically get you traffic 24/7 to whatever offers you want, whatever vertical you want to do, okay? It's crazy. YouTube was bought out by Google a long time ago for like $1 billion or so. YouTube is a big opportunity maker for anyone. Anyone can hop on YouTube. The reason why YouTube is better than any social media platform to make money on is your content will last forever. They're the second biggest site in the world. It's very important to understand, money follows attention. If this is where all the attention is, you should take advantage of it. I mean, I have a huge YouTube channel, not this one. This one's a small YouTube channel. I have a huge YouTube channel that gets results like this, okay? Passively, free traffic. And I'm 12 days into the month, every single month. I mean, for a long time, a few years now, I've been making money like this per month. I mean, I have thousands of videos on that channel. They all get views every freaking day, and they link in a very special way to what I'm selling. And I literally only talk about that inside the sweepstake program, which is also inside the mega bundle. And I talk about it specifically inside of coaching calls and mentorships and stuff like this. People can do it too. Like, I am not smart, man. Like, me being able to do that took me a long time of failure. I'm no prodigy at all. And I've been broke and depressed. I can tell you right now, making money is really, really good. It's a healthy thing for people to do. Being broke is very, very unhealthy. And you can get out of that if you are in that scenario. Or if you just want more money, this is how you do it. You leverage the power of Google in every which way.